You know that in today's time everyone wants to open their own dropshipping and online store. So I also thought of opening my dropshipping store 2 months ago where I would sell tech gadgets, and I had also set up all the things like I purchased my own domain, added all the products, and my website was finally ready for launch. But after doing all the steps, I was not getting peace of mind. Many times I feel that something is definitely wrong. I saw that every day so many people open their dropshipping and their online store all over the world, but only a few people are successful. And when I went, I noticed that all the people who have been successful in dropshipping had one thing common in them, and due to this, all of them were becoming successful. And that reason was that they used to upload their products on their own YouTube or Instagram and promote their products and store for free. I know that you will say that everyone does these things. Yes, I know that everyone does these things. But somewhere you must have noticed that whenever a product is launched, all the dropshipper upload the same video on their Instagram and YouTube, due to which only the first few people get audience retention from reel or short. You all know how much competition have become in this business of dropshipping or online store in this situation. If you do not do something new, then the people will swipe your reel and video just like the algorithm skip your account. So I was due to for many days. I researched all the website thinking that maybe there is some AI tools by which I can make high quality target videos. So after so many days of research, finally I come to know about a tool which I can make videos of my choice by just inserting the link of the product in the software. Now before we move further, I want to show you some videos.
Tired of cluttered desks and cramped typing? The Mage G Portable 60% mechanical gaming keyboard's compact 68-key layout saves space while maintaining functionality. Enjoy smoother, quieter typing with red switches. Transform your workspace with this sleek, efficient keyboard.
All the videos that I have shown you now, I have generated from this software. Maybe you still not believe that such videos can be made by just putting the link of your product. So ladies and gentlemen, now the time has come for me to tell you step by step how you can create such amazing videos without any hassle. So the name of this tool is jogg.ai. By the way, I have given its link in my description as well. So first of all, you have to create your account on jogg.ai. I have already created it, so I sign in here. So first of all, I have to go to my Amazon or my dropshipping store here, and suppose I select a product, for example this. Also, it is not necessary that your account is on Shopify or Amazon. You can also use it by pasting the link of products of other e-commerce and websites like Etsy, eBay, Play Store and App Store. So I just have to copy the link of this product from here like this and come back to jogg.ai and paste it here. Now in the next step, you will get an option here to analyze the URL. You have to click on it. And here you saw that it hardly took even 10 seconds and it show all the details here. Like here it has automatically fetched all the images and features of this product. Now if you want to see any video or any photo related to this product in your video, you can add it from here. Now you have to click on next here. In this section, you can select the timing of your video, its aspect ratio and the target audience of that product. Not only this, many people use other platforms to view your videos in another language. But here you already get so many languages which make it quite the best in comparison to others. Now I will move on to the next one here. And now he will ask you what kind of script you want for your video. I choose this and move on to the next one. And now this AI hardly took 14 seconds to give us our final video. True, this is not final. You can customize many things here. Also, you will find many templates here where different editing styles has been used in each one. If you want, you can find many avatars in the avatar section which you can choose according to the theme of your product and your choice. Suppose I select this avatar. Here above you will also find a batch mode where you can create videos in different styles and avatar at once. And you can also find quick button here. From here you can add your images or videos, and here you can also change the layout of the image. And if you want, you can also add copyright free background music in this music section. Now below here you will also find a section of Pro Edit where you get many more editing features. If you want, you can use this too. So for now, I save it and click on the render video button. Here I have to give one credit for this video, so I click on this submit icon. Now here in this project section, you can also manage all your previous project and your upcoming project as well. So our video is ready. Now I will download it from here and show you the final video.
Tired of cluttered desks and cramped typing? The Mage G Portable 60% mechanical gaming keyboard's compact 68-key layout saves space while maintaining functionality. Enjoy smoother, quieter typing with red switches. Transform your workspace with this sleek, efficient keyboard.
So you saw how with just one click you can easily create such high quality videos for your online store. By the way, jogg.ai has also many plans, in which I currently have this creator plan. You can choose your best plan according to your requirement. Like in this plan of mine, I get 20 credit, with which I can create 20 videos, because for every video you have to get 1 credit. So I hope you find this video useful. The link to this tool is in the description. You must go and use it once and give me your feedback in the comments. And if you want to know about another similar AI tools, then you must watch this video of mine. Thank you very much for all your love.